Hi everybody, welcome back to Evelyn's Fun Channel.
Yep.
Today we are unboxing this Teen Nana doll surprise. And this
It's
is
series
Samantha
Yep.
Smartie.
In series 1.
In series 1. And Evelyn is getting this for her birthday because she's turning how old?
9.
9 years old. And she's been watching all these videos about these Nana dolls and she was so excited to get this doll. So today we're going to open it with you guys.
Okay. Okay, I did not know that was that easy to open this. Yes.
Pull, girl, pull. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Let's look at this. All right. Oh, my goodness. Look at her.
Here she is. Oh my god.
She's so cute. And look, we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mystery things.
6 bags that we need to open up. Okay,
Okay.
Evelyn.
Okay. So many. And we also have one of these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is her hat. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's a little tiny hat.
Goodness, look at that. Show us. Wow. What's this little hat say?
Says right here.
Evelyn's been dying to open up this doll. She's been so excited. She's watched like
10,000 videos.
10,000 videos. Let's see here. Samantha Smartie. She's November 8th. Oh, it's almost my birthday. I'm smart. Get over it.
Oh my god, next is her brush.
Let's look at her brush.
Her theme is a little tiny owl. But not little.
It's an interesting little brush. It doesn't look like an owl. It's a little devil.
Okay, this is her sweater. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Oh, so little. It's like a little knitted sweater.
Oh, so cute. Nana prize. Oh, Nana's.
There's a little fake little pocket there.
Nana prize. Oh, Nana.
What is made of plastic?
Oh look, she comes with a shirt. So it goes like right here under that, like this.
Look at the details of the shirt.
I feel like these are her shoes in here.
That little bow tie.
I was right. I found her shoes.
So cute.
Found her little tiny cute shoes. Oh. That's all.
Aww. Look at
And her
that.
comes
It's real
with a
stylish.
brush. Can you get me some scissors so I can cut this up?
She is so stylish with these little owl shoes. Alright. So, while Evelyn's trying to
I don't know how to do this.
cut this
Wait.
doll out,
I just noticed she has ears.
we are going to look at all the other little nanas, teen nanas of the series. So we have the little boy nana, and this little owl nana, and then this little bling bling cha-ching nana. She looks like a little mouse or something. And then this girl, I guess she's supposed to be some type of dog. But she's like really
hers
hardcore.
a dog. Hers a dog. A bulldog.
And then this little girl, I think she's a flamingo. She's so cute.
But how I managed to put on her shoes, but I can't cut this part right there.
Alright, we've finally got her clothes on
She's
and took her out of the packaging. We're going to do some close-ups of her. Look at her little nose. It's actually 3D. They kind of stick out. It's not just printed on there. She actually has a nose and lips. And then when we were looking at the sweater earlier, I don't think I showed the detailing here of the sweater. That's really cute. You can see
She has little tiny freckles.
she has a little bracelet there, but the sweater's kind of covering it up. But look at the detail of the hands.
The watch.
You can see all the separate little fingers there.
The little tiny lips, the eyes, and the little tiny freckles she
You can see her
has.
socks.
It's printed on right there.
And her shoes. Look at that. Look at those legs.
Oh, look.
And they have her hair braided.
Ta-da!
Their hair is so soft.
God, yes. Their hat too. Have your brush back. The hat too. So.
Can you take off her hat, Evelyn?
Yes, I'll take it off.
Look
There
at her.
she
I think she
is.
looks cuter without the hat.
Yeah.
The hat kind of covers her up a little bit too much. She looks so cute like that. Okay, you can hold her.
Her hair's so
Everyone, let's play. Everyone, I'm
That
So
was
that
the
was
favorite
our unboxing of the Nana doll. What do you have to say, Evelyn?
Well, the favorite thing I liked about her was like all the detailing, like just makes her look realistic. I like all of it.
Alright, thank you for watching us unbox this Nana doll. Until next time, bye!
Everyone, I'm on
Bye.
this up.